Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on satellite on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, satellite feature is available with the newer iPhone 14 or anything newer than that on the latest iOS 18 update. So if you don't have a newer phone like the iPhone 14 or newer, you will not have this ability. Now, if you do have it, this is how you can access and turn on satellite. First thing is, when it comes to satellite on your device, you will need to make sure that you are not connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. So if you pull down the control menu and then long press and hold, you see you have Wi-Fi, you want to turn that off and then turn off a cellular data as well. After you turn these two settings off, if you're in a remote area where there's no blocking to the signal, you will see this satellite icon here where you can simply tap to turn on, just like you would turn on any other settings. It'll turn it on, and if you long press and hold, it'll give you a couple options here, like turning it on, turning it off, and also doing a connection test. Right now I can only demo because I am inside a building. I'm not able to test it, but you can do a test like this to see that it's able to connect during this process. As you can see, you can do a test connections. Again, I can't do a test connections right now, but this will allow you to see if you can connect if you're outside in a remote area without ability to connect to Wi-Fi or cellular data. You'll be able to go ahead and turn it on and use it for things like messaging, roadside assistance, and then Find My as well, and then emergency SOS. Those are the features that are going to be available. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you guys next time.